Hello and welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do OA says oh. OA says oh. Boat, 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 boat. The big boat sails on the alley, alley-o, the alley, alley-o, the alley, alley-o. The blue boat sails on the alley, alley-o, on the first week of September. Boats, 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 boats. There are big boats. Row, row, row your boats gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And we love our big boats. Coats, 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 coats. In winter, we wear our raincoats and our warm winter coats so that we don't feel cold. When it rains, we wear our raincoats. Goat, 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 goat. Did you see the billy goat? Billy goat, billy goat. Oh, did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Load, 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 load. He's carrying a heavy load on his back. It's very heavy, okay? But usually the animals carry it, like the ox or the mule or the donkey. They carry a heavy load on their backs. Soap, 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 soap. Wash your dirty hands, wash your dirty hands. Rub and scrub and rub and scrub and wash your dirty hands with soap. Road, 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 road. It's a long way to Tipperary. We're going down the old dusty road. It's a very dusty, bumpy road with lots of potholes, okay? And life is a road, a journey. All of us have to go down our own path or our own road. To loaf, 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 loaf. Blow, wind, blow, and go, mill, go, that the miller may grind his corn, that the baker may take it, and into bread make it, and bring us some loaves in the morn. I'm going to sing it again. Go, wind, blow, and go, mill, go, that the miller may grind his corn, that the baker may take it, and into bread make it, and bring us some loaves in the morn. Okay, so with no wheat, we have no food. So we are very important, the baker, the farmer, the miller. Toast, 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 toast. He's making some toast in the toaster. It's going to come out nice, brown and crispy. TH says throat, 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 throat. And this is my throat. And then sometimes I have a sore throat. And then I can't talk. Float, 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 float. He's floating on the water. Okay? He's there floating. Groan, 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 groan. He's groaning and he's moaning. He's saying, oh, my head is paining. And then he's moaning, moan, moan, ouch, my back is aching. Oak, 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 oak. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Billy goat, billy goat. Oh, did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Coach, coach. And in olden days, long ago, people would go by coach. Nowadays we have coaches. They are grand buses. But these coaches are like wagons, okay? And then they would be drawn by horses. Coal, coal. If I want to have a barbecue, a smoked barbecue, I need coal. Coal is black color. And then I put my corn, my potato, and my meat, and I have a coal barbecue. Goal, 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 goal. We're going to shoot the football into the goal. Goal, goal. Color ochre, cloak, color ochre, cloak. I'm wearing a cloak. There, that's a very grand, colorful cloak over my dress. For Ola, foal, for Ola, foal. And that's a foal. A foal is a baby horse. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a foal, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh here and a neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Roaster, roast, roaster, roast. I'm having a roast. I'm roasting chicken. I'm roasting some potatoes. Karaoke, croak, karaoke, croak. One little speckled frog croaking. Croaking means he goes like ribbit, 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 like that. That's what a frog does. He croaks. Ribbit croaking on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. He puts out his long sticky tongue and then he eats some bugs. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no more speckled frogs. Glog, glog. Serta oata, stoat, serta oata, stoat. Now that's a stoat, and the stoat has sharp teeth, and then he can bite things. Sa-oka, soak, sa-oka, soak. I hear thunder, hark don't you, pitter-patter raindrops, pitter-patter raindrops. I'm wet through, so I'm soaked, really wet. Like everything is just like dripping, wet. I'm soaked through, so are you. Coast, coast, coast. Down by the sea coast early in the morning, see all the engines all in a row. See the engine driver pull the little handle. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go. Poacher, poach, poacher, poach. Poach means they come and they steal the rabbits. They're poaching the rabbits. Roam, 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 roam about, to go somewhere all around. He's roaming about all around the countryside. Oats, 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 oats. I like to eat oats porridge in the morning. It doesn't make you fat. Oats are very good for you. Foam, 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 foam. I'm using some foam soap. Toad, 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 toad. One little speckled toad sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no more speckled frogs. Glug, glug. Coat, 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 coat. Rain is falling down, rain is falling down, pitter-patter, rain is falling down. Let's put on our gumboots, our raincoats and our hats, and jump in all the puddles with a splish, splosh, splash, splish, splosh, splash. Now, you're going to help me read first sound to the last sound. We're making trains. Are you ready? Good. Boat, boat, boats, boats. Coats, coats. Goat, goat. Load, load. Soap, soap. Road, road. Loaf, loaf. Toast, toast. throat, throat, float, float, groan, groan, moan, moan, oak, oak, coach, coach, coal, coal, goal, goal, cloak, cloak, fall, fall, roast, roast, croak, croak, stoat, stoat, soak, soak, coast, coast, poach, poach, roam, roam, oats, oats, form, form, toad, toad, coat, coat. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.